Welcome from Maths and Science channel. Now we will be discussing a very good algebra question involving number theory. It will be useful for both Maths Olympiad and JEE Advanced aspirants. Can we find out x and y? In the equation 47 to the power of 88 is equal to m into bracket 10 into x to the power of y plus y to the power of x bracket close plus 1. Now, in this 47 to the power of 88 is a very big number. It's a very big number. Until and unless we know some theorems and tricks to solve this, we will not be able to solve this question. X to the power of y, here it is y to the power of x. It's a single equation and two variables. We have to find both the variables. It's a very tricky question. Let us try to solve it. The question is 47 to the power of 88 is equal to m into 10 x to the power of y plus y to the power of x plus 1. Can we bring this 1 to the other side? That is 47 to the power of 88 minus 1 is equal to m into 10 x to the power of y plus y to the power of x. Here it looks like resembling Fermat theorem equation. Here 88 is not a prime. Number 88 is not a prime. As per Fermat theorem, some a to the power of p minus 1 I am writing in simple mathematics, not using mod and others, so that it can be understood easily, so that you can easily collect the concept. Provided here p is equal to prime in this equation. Similarly, if you try to write like this, 47 89 minus 1, 88 is equal to, we can write it as 89 minus 1. 47 to the power of 88 is equal to 47 to the power of 89 minus 1 is equal to m into, here p minus 1 is equal to 88, implies p is equal to 89. Can we write like this? (47) to the power of 88 minus 1 is equal to m into 89. That implies 47 to the power of 89 minus 1 is equal to m into 89. What is our question? 47 to the power of 88 minus 1. What is the equation given in our question? 47 to the power of 88 minus 1 is equal to m into 10x to the power of y plus y to the power of x. Compare these two equations, this equation and this equation. From these two we get 10x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equal to 89. From the Fermat's equation, we got the final equation in x and y as 10 into x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equal to 89. How 89 can be written? 80 plus 9. How 80 can be written? 10 into 8 plus 9. That implies 10 into x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equal to 10 into 8 plus 9. 10 into 8. 8 how we can write? 10 into 2 to the power of 3. How we can write 9? 9 we can write it as 3 to the power of 2. That means 10 into x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equal to 10 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2. This is what we have got from the given values. Hence, when you compare the multiples of 10, the component multiplied by 10, this implies when you compare these and units also, you get x to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of 3 and y to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 2. That implies x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is the final answer. That means the final solution will be on the final representation of the question will be 47 to the power of 88 is equal to m into 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 1. That is equal to 89m plus 1. That is equal to 47 to the power of 88 minus 1 is equal to m into 89. In one way we have gone in reverse to prove the Fermat's theorem. That implies x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is the answer. What we have used here? Fermat's theorem which says a to the power of p is equal to a mod p. A to the power of p minus 1 equivalent to 1 mod p. One is Fermat's main theorem, another is Fermat's little theorem. These two things we have used and got the values of x as 2 and y as 3. Please see Fermat's theorem being regularly asked in higher mathematics examinations. Please be thorough with it, and it's a very, very useful tool in case of larger powers of any big integers. Ultimately, this is the answer. And we are from Maths and Science channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, Maths and Science channel. Please spread among the aspirants of JEE Advanced and Maths Olympiad aspirants. It will be a good knowledge sharing. Best of luck to everybody. Thanks for seeing this video. I have already released 3 more videos. This is the 4th video from my channel. And I will be giving the link in the description for the other videos also. And there is a playlist also I will give. Playlist algebra by IITian. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for viewing this channel. Ultimately, the answer is x is equal to y is equal to 3. One equation, one theorem, and 2 variables. That's solved. With a big, large exponential values, like 47 to the power of 88 is a very big, very large number, which cannot be done manually. Thank you. Best of luck to everybody.